Hello, my name is Susie. I am 16 years old. I am a student. I live with my family. I go to school every weekday. I like to study English. My favorite subject is science. I also enjoy reading books. I have many good friends. My teachers are kind and helpful. I like to learn new things every day. I do my homework after school. I enjoy listening to music. I like playing volleyball with my friends. I always try my best in class. I want to be a doctor in the future. I am friendly and honest. I like helping other people. I am happy to meet you. Thank you for listening to my introduction.
Hello, my name is Yun Che. I am 22 years old. I am a baker. I live in Canada. I work in a bakery. I bake bread every day. I also make cakes. I like my job very much. I start work early in the morning. I wear a white baker's hat. I wear a clean apron. I always keep my bakery clean. I enjoy making fresh bread. My favorite food is bread. I like to help my customers. I am friendly and kind. I like learning new recipes. I work hard every day. In my free time, I like to listen to music. I also like to spend time with my family. I want to be a great baker in the future. Thank you for listening. Nice to meet you.